Hi guys, today I want to take you on a tour of my son's room. He is 12 years old. If you are wondering how his room looked like this 6 months ago, this is how it looked. It was painted green, he has a twin bed, and we had not changed his decor since he was 5 years old. I'm so thankful to my husband as he brought my imaginations into reality. He's my electrician, my painter, and my carpenter too. We started by painting the walls. We chose dark gray for accent, which will be behind the headboard, and we chose light gray for rest of the wall. Then we put closet made shelvings throughout his closet so that he can keep his clothes more organized and easier to find. Before, we used to put his toys inside the closet and all his clothes used to be in the dresser. So since he has passed the toy phase, it is much more easier for us to make the shelving unit inside his closet to keep his clothes more organized. We hanged a mirror on the door of the closet. That also helps him with getting ready in the morning more easily. The ceiling fan was installed by my husband a few months ago, and then he installed some pod lights too. The pod lights made his room very bright, which makes it easier for him to study. He was also able to change the switch plates for a more modern look. The bed and the mattress are from Costco, and the bed sheets and duvet cover are from IKEA. Amaruta is the name, if I am pronouncing it correct. Above the bed, we framed few posters. The frames are rebar frames from IKEA. He loves cars, and I hope the posters of cars will motivate him to work hard to own one of them. The lamp is from Target. It has a translucent top so that we can see the changes in the colors of the bulbs. Okay Google, can you change the light to green?
Sure, changing password smart bulb to green.
Okay Google, can you change the light to red?
Sure, changing password smart bulb to red.
Okay Google, can you change the light to white?
You got it, changing password smart bulb to white.
The nightstand is part of his old furniture. We chalk painted it into charcoal gray. It was pine color before. The gaming chair is from Amazon. This was the only thing which my son demanded. We are using this chair as his study chair too. The planner is from Amazon, and the big exit sign above the planner is from Hobby Lobby. It was not available in the store, so I ended up ordering it online. The gumball machine and the planter on the shelves was a wonderful garage sale find. The shelving was a DIY project built by my husband. We got inspiration from Pinterest, and he was able to build it according to the dimensions which I want. My son, he pulls 4 files from IKEA and he stores his paperwork subject wise in those files. The rock sign is an Amazon find too. we repurposed the desk which we already owned it, and we chalk painted it too. And now comes the star of the show, these strip lights. These strip lights were an awesome find from Amazon too, and it changes into multiple colors with a remote control. The slim bookcase is also a Craigslist find. We also chalk painted it into the same charcoal growth to give it a more cohesive look. It has some of the knickknacks which my son loves and which he himself has collected, like this aeroplane which was gifted to him by one of our neighbor who was working in Airbus. That was so nice of him. Then he has this baseball ball which he loves playing and watching. He has few collections of the Wimpy Kids book series, the yellow biplane, and the penguin is from his trip to Murano. He is an avid reader, so there are multiple books in his bookshelves. And there comes the WWE mic, which he loves watching, but I don't understand what is the charm of looking two people fighting. The red console is from IKEA, and I like it how it gives a punch of color in this black and gray room. It harbors his PlayStation and few of his personal items. We were hesitant to put a TV and a gaming station in his room, but my son has been asking for it since a long time. We put a condition that he has to earn A in all his subjects to have one, and he worked hard and was able to earn it. Above the console, we have framed his black belt certificate and few of his pictures to make it more personalized. On the door, there are few of his cap collection. He loves to collect caps. This wall has some of the players from his favorite NFL teams, and my son wants to keep growing his collection. This ends the tour, and I'm thankful to my son for letting me shoot his personal space. Please do let me know how you feel about the tour, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and keep encouraging me to make more videos like this.